Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to add weather filter in a snap on a Snapchat. Snapchat is a popular social media app. Users can take pictures or videos, add filters and effects, and share them with friends. These photos and videos are called snaps and are designed to disappear after they are viewed. Users often use weather filter on Snapchat. Now, let's see how we going to add a weather filter in a snap on a Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app as you can see in the screen. Then take a random snap. Alright, tap on this button. You'll get to see a lot of options in here. We will choose only weather. Yeah, you can adjust it to bigger size or smaller size. So that's how you're going to add a weather filter on a snap of a Snapchat app. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.